Hi there, you're watching Adells, and we're really glad you stopped by. If you find this guide helpful, take a moment to like and subscribe. It means a lot. Let's take things slow today. We are going to walk you through how to use a manual pump. Calmly, without stress, and with care, you've got this, and we'll take it one step at a time. Start by setting up your space. Choose somewhere quiet where you can sit down and breathe without rushing. A warm drink, dim light, or soft background music can help set the tone. Once you're settled, make sure your pump is clean, dry, and ready to go. Wash your hands gently. Think of it as part of the ritual. Taking a few extra seconds now makes everything smoother later. Place the pump where it needs to go. Don't press too hard, just enough for a natural seal. If it doesn't feel quite right, take a moment to adjust. Comfort comes first. Start with a few light pumps, slow, easy movements. Let your body ease into it. There's no need to rush or force anything. Just find a rhythm that feels natural. As you continue, try to keep your breathing steady, in through the nose, out through the mouth. A calm body makes the whole process smoother and more effective. If things feel slow, try gently massaging the area with circular movements beforehand, or apply a warm cloth for a minute. When you're ready to stop, simply remove the pump carefully and store the milk safely. Then take a moment, not just to clean the parts, but to appreciate the care you've just given yourself. Try not to focus too much on the outcome. Some days are easier than others, and that's completely normal. Let the moment be what it is. Trust that your body knows what to do, and allow yourself a little grace if things don't go perfectly every time. Thanks for being here with Adells. If this video brought you peace or clarity, please like and subscribe. You're doing great, and we're here whenever you need us.